Hello, hello. Just give me a minute and let me just share the link. Just waiting for everyone to join, then I'll start. So, hello guys. As our previous stream, I shared this ENS setup, and it's almost 2 hour up, as it was 2% SL and it's almost 4% up. You guys can book profits fully if you want, or you can book 50% here and keep remaining 50%. And if I show you the BTC setup, it's also 2% up from the entry, but I'm holding it as it's still not 1 hour yet, and I will book profit around 69.2k. Until then I will hold this trade. So let's look for a new setup. USDT DOM, it's looking pretty bearish, as I already mentioned that it's gonna reject, and probably we will see a retest up to 7.00% area. Let me just check tau. Tau breakout retested and it's now pumping, but until and unless tau flip the 206 area, it's nothing to be bullish on it. The only bullish sign will be to reclaim this, then retest, and I will take entry around that. But for now, tau is nothing bullish yet. Let's quickly check on Ethereum. I closed that entry, but if 4-hour candle close above this 200 level, 2000 level, you can enter again, but as of now I'm just watching. Okay, no entry as of now. Let just 4-hour candle close, then I will decide to enter or not. So if 4-hour candle close above 2001 level, and then after retest you can take entry on ETH, like something like this, and then we will see a dump. Okay, that's the plan for ETH. Let's check for kind of giving breakout here. Just give me a minute. Yes, fart is give a breakout around here. Even if I draw the few here, if you see any retest around this level, let me just clearly draw the lines. Okay, so fart you can put limit around 0.1969. Put your SL something like this, it will be 4.6% SL, and keep your TP. Yes, another pretty good towards setup here. So just watch fart, you can place entry like this, but don't enter now as it will be a bad risk to reward ratio. Only enter if it retest. Okay, now look magic forward. I was waiting for forward candle to close. Let's see, forward candle closed above, but let's wait for the retest. Next forward candle close. If the next forward candle also close above the 0.774, then you can also take a long tree around here. Wait for the next candle, look if it can hold or not. Let's just quickly check it on 15-minute time frame. As of now it's taking resistance, so I won't touch it here as of now. Any more coin that is green SNX, let's check it. So resistance. We'll wait SNX to enter after if I see any 30-minute or 1 hour candle close above this 0.3 level, then you can enter, but as of now there is no entry right now. Pump, it was my previous trade, it broke out, retested, and now it's pumping, but now not a good sign to entry here. If I see any rejection around 0.2353, or if it's failed to break out above, then I will look for shorts, but as of now I will just wait and watch on pump. See, or safe entry would be around, if it does something like this, then retest here, then pump. So my plan for pump would be a retest around this zone. So if you guys wanna put limit, you can something like this, and target this zone. Stop loss would be around here. So this limit you guys can put. Okay, entry should be around 0.002121 and SL around 0.002011. Hi Vishnu, how you doing? Okay, let's look at XMR. XMR also I will wait for a retest around something like this. This. That's my also retest point for WLFI pretty strong, but wait for candle close up. Let me just draw or check it on lower time frame because it's 4 hour. It's too messy. If a retest is given around this zone, then I can take long. So WL watch if it gives a retest around this box. Okay. So your entry would be something around here. Put SL here. So lots of limits I am already shared. Okay. Look for these setups on your own and set the alarms and enter at the entry point I have given. Okay. Let's just quickly check what BTC is doing. I'm just 15 minutes. Let's see if BTC close below this trend line, then I will close my setup, but as of now I'm holding. Let's look for some new trade. So what Solana doing? Solana rejecting again and again for 89k. That's been the key level for Solana. If it will fail to break above, then it will go to 61. Solana must flip the 89k zone, 89 zone. So nothing to trade as of now in here. But still look it in the 4 hour time frame. Okay, let's check it. It's kind of bouncing from this trend line. We can plan some entry around here, but let's just wait for the candle close. So this is the trend line Solana again following. Let's just wait for breakout above, then we'll enter. Yes. I am setting alarm around here. If the If Solana flip this zone, I will post long setup in it. But for now, I'm waiting. Elite. That's a pretty good candle. Let's just wait for lead to flip this area. Wait for lead to give a candle close above this, then retest, then pump. I'm waiting for the candle close. Otherwise, I will not enter. Any other coin that looking good? Pippin, what's been doing? Pippin, you guys can scalp around this box for small pump. There are also been FFG available, get value available, so you can. SL would be a bit wide, but yeah, you can easily go for a towards setup around there. On Pippin. That's what I'm looking for Pippin. Something like this, then retest around here, then it can down. But you can scalp on 0.425 level. Okay. Let's check stable. Stable, broke out, retested. It's pumping. Fuck. I should have entered here. Anyway, no worry. We'll look for another coin. APT. I was waiting a little lower to count for APT, but anyway, I'll wait. OP. Let's chart it on. Okay. So, considering this chart, it also hasn't given any 30-minute close above this trend line, so you can plan an entry around here on a retest and target this high and put stop loss something around here. So This you can plan on OP. I guess I shared almost 4 to 5 limits only live. JCT also wait how JCT reacts around this level. If you see a candle like deviated below this trend line and it closed above, then you can take a swing long. Or if you see any candle closed below it, and then the previous then the next candle it failed to break above, then you can short it. It's that simple. Any coin you want me to chart, you can tell in the chat box. I'm watching, as I'm not able to find any good setup to provide as of now. H, you guys can put a limit around here. That's a pretty good zone to bid for H. Let's see hype. What's he doing? Hype. My initial plan was around here, but as the trend line went further, I'll look for this zone now for a long hype. SL will be something 4%. SL will be around 27.1. That's it, guys. I'm not able to find any good setup as of now. Just I will share the limits and all in the group and also in the Twitter. You guys can put those limits as well, and let's see how hot market provides tomorrow at the New York session. But for now, market is in the middle of everything. And little update on the trade we had. So BTC as of now running, okay. The targets are 69.2 and 72.25, and also our stops are at entry. And ETH, you guys can wait, or let me check 1 hour candle. I think that's closed. ETH, I think you guys should wait for the next 4 hour candle to close above. Otherwise, there is nothing to entry here, okay. ETH, wait for 4 hour candle to close above at least 2004 or 5. Wait for candle to close above, then you can take entry. And BTC is running. ENA already we booked TP1, and remaining setup running. So that's it for today, guys, and I will see you tomorrow while New York market open, US market open. So thank you guys for joining. and make sure if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, make sure you do it. Also make sure you share it with your friends and everyone so that more people can join into this YouTube channel. So thank you, this is it for today, guys.